Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, cleanse and pat your skin, then apply 2 to 3 drops or pumps of oil so the tool glides. Hold the stainless steel Gua Sha at a shallow 15 to 30 degree angle so the edge makes broad contact. Begin at the center of the face. Use light to medium pressure. Sweep outward and upward along the jawline and cheek in one continuous stroke. Make sure to follow lymph flow toward the hairline and down toward the clavicle to encourage drainage. Once done with broad strokes, switch to the curved edge to sculpt cheekbones and temples. Perform 5 to 7 gentle strokes per side. Make sure to use the small notch section around the eye socket and brow bone with very light pressure to avoid tugging. Work from the nose outward and upward, repeating each motion 3 to 5 times while maintaining consistent angle and rhythm. This detailed phase releases muscle tension and enhances contouring. Pause if you feel discomfort and adjust pressure. To finish, make several long sweeps down the neck and across the décolletage toward the clavicle to clear lymphatic pathways. Rinse and dry the stainless steel tool, then sanitize with 70% alcohol or wipe before storing. Make sure to reapply a thin layer of serum or moisturizer to seal hydration. If you notice prolonged redness, bruising, or sharp pain, stop immediately. Reduce pressure or duration next session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.